find us on the 7 Mile stretch. We are actually right beside Alfred's Ocean Palace.
My name is Ron McLeish, and I'm from Little London Bay Road, and this is my family company called High School Jelly Negril. We're located on the 7 Mile Beach right at the Whistling Bird across from the Jungle nightclub. So the pop-up here is going to give us opportunity to bring out our company to the people. We have natural juices, that's all homemade. So right here we have Irish moss juice. So this Irish moss, I personally dive it up myself from the beach right here. This is our fruit punch. This have beetroot, papaya, mango, and pineapple. And this is our ginger and pineapple. And we have soursop right here. And we have mango juice. Yeah man, and we got the iconic beverage, which is the coconut. Also do mixed fruit plates. That's what High School Jelly is about. Bringing the natural aspect of Negril, which is the coconut, the banana, all the natural fruits, and that's what we embrace.
Here it is unique. It's not a regular thing in Negril, so it will benefit the drivers of Jamaica. And by the way, my name is Robert Graver. I'm the chairman for Negril, chapter of Jamaica. And we want business, so wherever we can go to make business, that's where we will be. And this is one of the opportunities here.
Hello, my name is Cecile Watt. I'm the general manager for Tingaleos Retreat, located on Deep Western Road in Negril. We have a 8-bedroom property that hosts various types of retreats. We have mushroom retreats, yoga retreats, and regular accommodation, rooms, stay comes with breakfast, and dinner reservations can be made 24 hours in advance. Why you should come to Tingaleos Retreat? It's a relaxing environment, it's very zen, it's very holistic in our approach. We have a farm-to-table policy, and we believe in health and wellness, and just tranquility. It's a great place to get away and relax.
Hi, I'm Karen Allen. I'm the general manager of the Caves Resort on Western Negril, right beside the lighthouse. For those who don't know, we're a very small, intimate, family-oriented property. I would like to promote our sandbar that's open to the public. Currently twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. We do live jerk chicken and we have all the cocktails that you can think of, and it's a perfect place right on the edge of the cliffs to watch the sunset. Also, what we offer is a one-of-a-kind dinner in the cave, a grotto cave. Now this requires reservation, so you can reach out to us, but it's an experience that I think everybody should try to get and garner. Dining in a cave is not something you do every day, so that's what we're known for, and also a relaxing family type atmosphere. So if you're in Negril or passing through, check out our sandbar or try to look into booking a cave dinner. So one-of-a-kind experience.
Hi everyone. My name is Donna Gordon of Gordon's Agencies Jamaica Limited, and I'm so elated to be here at Waves Summer Pop-Up Jam. This is the place to be, and let me tell you, what we do at Gordon's Agencies, we're a custom brokerage and logistics firm, freight forwarding firm, and we handle imports and exports, and we believe in brand Jamaica, and that is why I'm here representing here in Negril, because we believe that brand Jamaica is important, and investing
export our products without having to ship. So a lot of persons don't realize that when you sell your products to a gift shop or directly to the tourists, your product is actually being exported internationally. So that's one of the ways that I benefit from tourism, as well as just the general exposure. When clients come to Jamaica, when the tourists come to Jamaica and there's a cultural exchange, you find that they are made aware of all the different and diverse products that are locally made. So I really do like to have that interaction, because whenever people from other countries see my products, they're very surprised, they're very excited, and they love the products that we make here. Most of my products are sold in higher-end boutiques and fine hotels all across the island, like Trial, Roundtail, Couples, and some boutique resorts like Tensing Pen. And we are also partners with Stush in the Bush, which is a farm-to-table restaurant in St. Anne. So wherever you, and also Canopy Hotel in Portland. So we tend to partner with persons who really appreciate locally made stuff and value our contribution to spreading the culture of Jamaica.
My name is Melody Cargill. I'm the Senior Fitness Manager for all Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and I think this is an amazing idea. It supports local businesses, helping them grow and gain exposure. It builds community pride, connection, and brings traveling guests and locals together. It introduces people to new food ideas, flavors. That's what we're all about in Jamaica.
Kevin Hammond and I, along with my wife Avis, are the owners and operators of Hammond's Bakery. We operate 2 locations, one here in Negril and another one in Lucy, Hanover. And we are primarily a retail bakery. We bake fresh products every day, traditional Jamaican pastries, plantain tarts, gizzards, rock buns, banana bread, bread pudding, cornmeal pudding, stuff like that. We also do cakes and a variety of breads. We are also distributors of tasty patties. I think Negril needs more events like this, and we're happy to be a part of it. I think the exposure that it will give us, perhaps help us to find customers that didn't know us before, and introduce us to markets that maybe we didn't exist, maybe we weren't tapping into before.
Hello, good evening. My name is Masha Bart, Recycling Partners of Jamaica, the Whitehall Depot. And we'd like to invite persons to come on board with us, become vendors. We collect many types of plastic bottles, PETs, HDPE. We pick up the bottles for free and we submit it on a Monday and you get paid on a Friday. It's $20 per pound if we come and pick it up, $22 per pound if you bring it in. We are located in Whitehall, as I said before, so you can just look us up and contact us, and we are happy to assist and welcome you.
Good afternoon, I am Sheila Terati from Sky Garden, of course, a Chinese restaurant, but basically we are offering Chinese food, but also with a fusion of some Jamaican delicacy or from Jamaican cuisine. We are located in Eden Paradise, just across Vera Club.
So my name is Beja, the owner of Balabi Delights and Decor. Here in Negril, I do cakes, cupcakes, cheesecakes, cookies. So I have different size cakes, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, everything I can think of. I have a very favorite mango cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. Seasonally, I have sorrel cheesecake as well. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Sandra. I work at LCU Dress and Bar. We also do rooms on the other side of the road. Alright, so we do pizzas, we have a wide range of Jamaican dish, Italian dish as well. But no, we're doing pizzas. That's our specials. So for today we're doing cheese or vegetarian pizza. We also have a boutique that we sell everything from Italy. We are at Western Road, right after you pass Rick's Cafe. It will help us on a wide scale because not everyone knows about us. Alright, so some persons come to Rick's Cafe, and when they come to Rick's Cafe, it opens at 12. So then they start to explore. After exploring out, then they will pop up in LTU. This pop-up here, I think it will definitely help us to grow a lot more.
Welcome to Ocean Cliff Food. My name is Afrimai. Today we are displaying some of our cuisine that we serve at our restaurant, which is Blue Maho Restaurant. It is a world-renowned restaurant, one of the top restaurants in Negril, competitively rated in the top 3. Blue Maho Restaurant is open to the public daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it's a part of the Ocean Cliff Hotel. Ocean Cliff Hotel is a adult-only couples hotel. We also have a day spa that is also open to the public. So if you wish to visit, just give us a call.
Tell me, my name is Elaine Allen Bradley, and I'm president of the Negril Chamber of Commerce. And I think for commerce, this is an excellent idea of having all the small businesses come together. And when I say small, I mean we have got Ocean Cliff here, which is not too small. So to see the West End, like LTU, Ocean Cliff, and other people from the West End come to the 7 Mile Beach, I mean, it's great. And this is the sort of community commerce we need. So everybody's there. And they have samples, everything is nice, and I love it. I would sample every bit of everything that's here. And I mean, when I said sample, people don't get me wrong, it's not giveaway sample. It's literally you pay $500 or $1,000 and you can get something good to eat. So I think once a month people will look forward to it. And this is the first, and the turnout has been excellent. And it's a nice timing. 4 o'clock till 8 o'clock, people are leaving work. And as I saw some people from the TPDCO, I saw from the health department, and they come and get their little food and take away. So it's a great idea, and the timing is excellent. And this, with the small businesses getting involved, even more so. And Rosa is a chamber director, and this is good for her to bring all these small businesses together. And we are inviting the bigger business as well. Bring their samples, show off their hotel. This will be excellent. Well, locals are coming in. Don't forget the business people, a lot of them don't buy from themselves. They buy from each other, and locals come and support. And if you turn and look, there's a lot of locals here supporting the businesses. Some of them, some of the small businesses, they didn't even know they exist. And now they're seeing them, sampling what they have. I think it's brilliant. Kudos, Rosa.